Hello guys, it's me Emma, and welcome to WealthCon AFY. The CRA confirms the 2026 TFSA cap at $7,000, consistent with 2024 and 2025. If eligible since 2009 with no overcontributions, your total room is $103,500 by January 1, 2026. What is a TFSA? Introduced in 2009, it's a top tax saving account. Grow money tax-free via interest, dividends, or stocks. Invest in stocks, funds, bonds, GICs, or cash, no tax on profits or withdrawals. Annual limits since 2009 to 2012, $5,000, 2013 to 14, $5,500, 2015, $10,000, 2016 to 18, $5,500, 2019 to 22, $6,000, 2023, $6,500, 2024 to 2026, $7,000. Cumulative for 2009 starters, $109,000 by 2026. Room accumulates from age 18 or 2009. Overcontribute and face 1% monthly penalty. Check CRA My Account or Notice of Assessment for your room. Benefits: tax-free growth on all profits, withdraw anytime penalty-free, withdrawn room refills next year, flexible investments. Perfect for short or long-term saving. Hit the bell icon so you don't miss any good tip or updates. Subscribe to my channel to stay tuned.